Díomh Cordia. This is an Irish language calendar which was sent to me by a man who hails from Gweedore. His name is Eamon Coyle. And his hobby is to take photographs. He loves to take photographs. And here he has put together some beautiful, beautiful shots of places around Ireland. You can see absolutely gorgeous sunsets. And the calendar is going to be released in aid of two charities that are very close to my heart. One of them is the Vincent de Paul, who help people in need from all over the country. And the second one is the Peter McVerry Trust. Both great charities, and all of the proceeds will be going to those two charities. So please support and buy this calendar. It's a lovely thing to have, and it's something that'll be on my wall for the next year. Take care, and thank you for your support.